find the perimeter and area of a triangle, first you need to draw the figure in a coordinate plane. For example, find the perimeter and area of the following triangle with vertices A, -4, 3, B, -1, 1, and C, 2, -3. So using this coordinate plane, we first plot each vertex, starting from the origin. The x-coordinate of point A is -4, so we start from the origin. We count 1, 2, 3, 4 units left. Y is -3, so 1, 2, 3 units down. Point B, we have -1, so 1 unit left, +1, 1 unit up. Point C is 2, -3, so 1, 2 units right, 1, 2, 3 units down. Then, draw the sides of the triangle, which are AB, BC, and AC. So let us start with the perimeter. The definition of perimeter is the total length surrounding a closed figure or a polygon. That means you need to add up all the sides. So the perimeter should be equal to the length of line segment AB plus the length of line segment BC plus the length of line segment AC. To determine the length of each side, we use the distance formula, which is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. But the shorthand notation of the distance formula is the Pythagorean theorem, which is c squared equals a squared plus b squared, where a and b are the two sides forming a right angle. From here, the length of each side of the polygon which is c, is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. So we can simply use this third formula. So for our side AB, we can draw the right triangle starting from point A, 1, 2, 3, 4 units up. Since it is a length, we do not need any sign. Then 1, 2, 3 towards your B. So the distance between points A and B, or the length of side AB, is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared. Then you use your scientific calculator to determine that square root. And that is approximately equal to 5. And then for the length of side BC, starting from point B, we move 1, 2, 3 units right. So that is also 3 squared under the radical sign. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 towards your C. So under the radical sign, we have 4 squared. So the length of line segment BC is the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is also equal to 5. Your line segment AC is horizontal, so we can just count the number of horizontal units from point A to point C. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the perimeter P is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 6, which is equal to 16 units. Next, for the area of a triangle. The formula for the area of a triangle is given as base times height divided by 2. Now, since AC is the horizontal line, we can already use that as the base, which is equal to 6 units. And then the altitude or the height is the length of the line segment from point B perpendicular to your line segment AC. Now that height is already a vertical line segment, so you can just count the number of vertical units from point B to the side AC. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So H is the height is equal to 4. So we have 6 times 4 divided by 2. But 6 times 4 is equal to 24. You divide it by 2. The area is equal to 12 square units.